Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make spiral staircase SketchUp model. Okay, we have to make a circle for the first step. Start from the origin, then we can set the segment. We can type 100s and enter, so it will be smooth automatically. Okay, so we can start for making a radius. We can set the 3 meter of the radius, so and then we can just click this and we have to offset it inside as wide as stair wide as you want, or as your stair design anyway. In this case I would like to set the stair with the 1.2 meter of the wide. Okay, so we can first of all we have to click it all and make group first, and then we can make the line over there. We can make the line here. Okay, then we can select this line and we can rotate it. Okay, and duplicate it. Okay, we can rotate and duplicate it with the, in this case I would like to share the example with the 270-degree angle. So we can type it, then we can type click, and then we can type 20 slash and enter anyway. Okay, so it will be automatically arranged by this distance and the angle of every single line for making the staircase arrangement. Okay, we have to select it all and unselect this circle plane, so then we can edit cut, and then we can click it on the inside of the group and we can just paste in place anyway. Okay, so we can see about the connection between that line, every single line, and the circle. So we can delete with the erase tool. We can delete for this unnecessary line anyway. Okay, so and then we can delete it also. Okay, it would be clear. Okay, and then we can select this and we can just copy. Okay, and then we can exit the group, and then we can paste in place, and then we have to push it up around let's say it around 180 millimeter. Okay, then we have to make group, and don't forget to make component, just create. Okay, and after that we can rotate it first from the origin, then we can rotate and duplicate it and place for the correct angle first of all. Then we can just click, and then we can type 20 x20, so it will be arranged automatically. So we can erase some unnecessary object over there. Okay, we have been make it component, and then don't forget to make it all to be one group anyway by selecting all of this every single step over there. Then we can right click and just make group. Okay, we can right click make group, and then we can select this group anyway, select all, and then we can unselect for every single step that we have no move it to the upper position, just like this. Okay, you can see about the movement technique in my method anyway, so you can follow this method to make movement and arrangement all of the every single step over there. Okay, you can see about the movement of the step. Okay, because this is have to arrange one by one anyway. We have to arrange it one by one for every single stair anyway. Okay, we can we can place it one by one. Okay, we have been see about the spiral staircase arrangement of every single stair over there. So in this case, we can just try to move the line uh, to the down position, so it will be automatically arranged for the bottom side of this stair. It will be automatically arranged just like this anyway. Okay, so you can adjust by your design or by your floor plan between the ground floor or the first floor connection. So in this case, this is about the connection between the ground floor and the first floor. Anyway, this is for the first floor. I mean, then for the ground floor, I've to make the example for the ground floor anyway. Just something like this. This is about the ground floor. Okay, so you can see about the difference between the first floor and the ground floor positioning. Anyway, this is for the ground floor and this is for the first floor anyway. Okay, so you can see about it, and then we can make the railing. We can make the basic railing with using a line. Start from here. We can using our railing with line. Start from here. Then we can continue for every single connection between the line anyway. We can select it all and we can move. Then we can push it, move it up until 1 meter, for example. Okay, so we can see about the arrangement. Okay, and then we have to move up. We have to move up 1 meter also. Okay, so we can see about the arrangement of the railing, basic railing. We can set the surface of the railing profile. Maybe we can set the basic profile just like this, or maybe we can add more profile. We can add more profile design anyway. This is just for example, so you can explore more about the railing profile. It's just for example anyway. Okay, we can move. Okay, we can move and place on this position, and also we can duplicate it and place on this position. Make sure that this is connected. Okay. Okay, we can select all and unselect for the profile first, and then we can set the follow me, okay, to make the stair handle anyway, stair railing handle anyway. Okay, so then we can make the another then make the balustrade over there, then we can just make it group and move and place on this position. Okay, this is for just for simple method. Anyway, you can make more detail for the every single stair over there. Anyway, so you can set the another material. You can use a wood material just like this. This is for manual arrangement. Anyway, or if you wanna automatically arrangement, maybe you can set the another method. I have to move and duplicate it, place on this position. Okay, we have to set the line again. We have set the line again anyway. Okay, and then we can select all this line. We can select all this line and just make a well edge. Okay, so we can see the length 400 4000. I'm sorry, we can see about the value on this length. Anyway, we can see about the 14,534. We can on the green axis, we can draw the line on the green axis. 40 5 14 534 14 534. We can okay, so we can select this and move and duplicate it, and then we can set the 1 meter of the height of the railing. We can make this one, and then we have to push it to the front or back side, is depend on you. And then we can just make group, and it just for example, maybe we can offset it inside. Okay, then we have to push it to the back. We have to push it to the front, make component, and just create. Okay, you can type 50 slash maybe. It just for example, or maybe it's too large or too distance. We have to move it again, and we can type 100 slash. Okay, so and after that we can right click and make group. Okay, so we can select this line and we can place on this position. Anyway, we can place on this position. We can select this railing. Okay, we can use extension with the shape bender. Okay, we can select this one. Oh, sorry, we have to move on the right axis. Anyway, we have to move on the right axis. Okay, just something like this. Okay, so we can select this railing, and then we can select the extension and shape bender. We can select the line and we can place on this line. Anyway, we can set the up or down arrow. Okay, and then we can place enter. Okay, we can see about the result anyway. So you have to improve it by yourself anyway, for the better arrangement anyway. We can delete it, and this is for manual step, and this is for automatically step for making a railing with the spiral staircase. Okay, thanks for watching. Hope it will be a benefit to all of you. Thank you.